have a much guys so much. Thank you. Top top is come to visit my dream. Follow me if you still here. Về nè. Giống hay đâu luôn. Thank you. Have a good day. Welcome to the Maria. Top and follow me for her. She from Vietnam. Nice to meet you guys. It is my field. I show you is my field today. I plan a little bit right today for because today is a very good day. Tomorrow it is a Friday in Vietnam. We are cannot play tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is a festival, festival. Fruits in Vietnam. Everybody come to visit Vietnam and enjoy festival with me. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow more, but tomorrow, Vietnam have a festival. Fruits we are enjoy. Everyone know work something. They are very busy. The work at the field because they are enjoy fruits. Yes, thank you guys visit my dream and talking with me. Ướt hết áo rồi. Thank you so much visit everybody. Maybe I am stop my dream is right now because I am come to home. I cooking for. I am come to home. I now have a why internet. I know internet when I come home. My source wet. Sorry everybody. It's because my source wet and I cannot. I very tired. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye. Mwah. Bye bye everyone.